Hi YouTube. What we got for you now is the very first actual flight, well, daytime, because I did get off the ground the other night. Very first flight attempt and recording attempt of the Hubsan H-109-s. The one that I've been scared of for, well, a great deal of time now. And you know what? I think I'm going to leave the back door open because that battery's hard enough to get out as it is. I don't think it's going to pop out. Oh, and since I'm talking, well, I'm calibrating. 1, 2. We're at the Dust Bowl, by the way. Looks very pretty right now. Come on, baby, get your calibration on. I'll even do one. I'll rotate for you, okay? Again, oh, come on, man. There. Since I'm talking, you know, even though it's daytime, you know I lost a drone a few days ago. According to this, oh, we've got 8 satellites. Yeah, I lost a drone a few days ago. It was daylight. Something tells me had I had the extra LEDs turned on, because I did have LEDs turned on at the time, even though it's daylight, those aftermarket LEDs might have helped me out. If it didn't help me out with visibility at the exact time that I lost it, well, those LEDs might have stayed on even if the bird's eventual crash, wherever it crashed, even if that had have jerked the battery loose that powers the quad, there's a good chance that the LEDs that were on the arm might have stayed on, and it could have aided me in some kind of assistance in terms of a rescue effort later on. We're at 12 satellites, so we just started the recording, which was cool because I couldn't get it to record the other day. And we're off, man. Very first trip. We're actually going in the direction of the wind, but we're keeping it very low. We just want a landscape of the we want a picture of the what we're looking at over there. Whoa! Whoa. 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 Get that back over here. Yeah, get orientation, baby, because you are a monster. We're blinking. Are you on GPS? Let's hit return to home. Because you like staying out of the field. No, and we're not hitting return to home yet. We've got a good visual. We just don't seem to have a lot of control. And we have these blinking lights. So you know what? You seem to want to be in return to home mode. So I'm going to let you do your dizzle. I'm losing all kind of FPV. We've lost the FPV. Let's bring him down. We've lost all FPV. Don't know what that's about. We're probably still recording. Let's see if we can hit video. No, we've lost all FPV. It says we have 11.9. That's not too bad. FPV's kind of coming back in. Screw this in a little better. Oh yeah, the FPV is terrible. I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna have that looked at. Good flyer though. It just does not like the wind at all. Want to turn off GPS for a hot second? We just turned off GPS. As far as I know, I didn't turn off any recorder. I just turned off GPS. Big bird flying his ass off. See if we can turn him around. Woohoo, yeah. Ho-de-do, yes, you can fly better than me. Get down, Hubsan. Woo-de-doo-de-doo. Woo-hoo-hoo. You gonna watch that, motherfucker? Whoa-de-do. No, this way, bitch. This way. Wanna go back GPS? Nah, we got it. We don't need training wheels. That wind is not your friend, but you telling it who the motherfucking boss is, aren't you, baby? Wanna do the GPS dance? Okay, you GPS in the game. Just come on home. Come on. You a bad birdie. I haven't even been looking at your monitor. I don't care no more the way you tripping on me, man. I don't know if it's in you. Come on down. Looks like you've got 11.6 volts, man. I don't know the distance because I haven't been reading you, but that GPS is holding like a some bitch. And I love your LEDs. You want to come down? First flight, I get you, I get you, I get you. You bad. You are bad. Yes, you are. With your choppy FPV. Marky, land me for Christ's sake. Well, you got 11.5 volts. I don't see you blinking. You just have the worst fucking FPV in the world, man. I don't think I want to hit return to home. I'm going to take you out one more time. Yeah, right over there. Whoop-de doo. That field is so pretty, man. You got votes. You just playing with me. The Hubsan X4 H-109-s. And now we have the blinking lights. Come on, baby. We're coming down. We got you. We got you. We'll stop the recording. You can stop it. Come on. Good, good. We stop it. Come on. Got some kind of footage. Okay. Hubsan.